How to show WhatsApp status to only one person. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your device and tap on settings. As you tap on settings, tap on the privacy option over here. So tap on privacy, and as you tap on privacy here, just scroll down and you can see the option of status over here. So tap on status. Now it is default set that you can see your status has been sent as an my contacts over here. Now if you want to share your WhatsApp status to only one person, you need to select the third option, which is only share with. So just tap on this third option and tap on this included option. So tap on included and select any one of this person and then tap on the check mark. And now the WhatsApp status will be shown only to this particular selected person. Now you can go back and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.